Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can split a page into two parts in Microsoft Word. So this is another Microsoft Word tutorial, so let's go quick into the process. Let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word and this is my document and I want to split this one page into two pages. So how can I do that? It's very easy. Look at the ribbon at the top and here you will find layout. Click on that. Now click on the orientation and choose landscape. Now once chosen, in order to split this into two pages, you will find the columns, this one. Click on that and choose the two columns. And that's it. That's how you can easily split one page into two pages in Microsoft Word. As easy, it's very easy. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.